Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
We need some.
We do. We definitely need some. And today we have Rockstar Recovery Berryade with zinc, biotin, and magnesium.
Really cool looking can too.
I know, it's a very nice looking can. Got the bright yellow of Rockstar, and then you got the nice light purple velvet. 160 milligrams of caffeine in the can. Nice.
Comfort zone's 104, by the way.
Oh yeah, I kind of felt that. Alright, so the important factoids: this can contains 3% juice, very nice, 10 calories, 140 milligrams of sodium, 0 sugar, nice, 1 gram of carbohydrate. We got 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 7.5 micrograms of biotin. We got 5 milligrams of levulinic acid, 105 milligrams of magnesium, 1.7 milligrams of zinc, and of course 160 milligrams of caffeine. And it's really good. Ooh.
I was expecting a little bit more sparkle.
But it's the recovery, which is a little bit of a different different version of an energy drink. That's fascinating.
Where was the caffeine from? Like coffee or green tea? Probably tastes like it, but that would be a really good thing.
I don't say anything about green tea.
Probably the Corona.
Yep. But
it's good
specs.
though. Very smooth.
Wow.
About 5 degrees cooler.
Yep, 5 degrees cooler. Iced, that's for sure. I'm not sure on the exact flavor.
Yeah.
What would you say? It's close to. Because I think there's some pomegranate in there.
Some raspberry, yeah, some pomegranate.
Yeah.
Maybe some blueberry?
Maybe, yeah.
Some strawberry.
But it's definitely a very mixed berry and very tasty.
I'm impressed. You see it served a little bit cooler.
Yeah, a little bit cooler. It would be nice to have bubbles today too.
Yeah. Well, we were just kind of expecting bubbles. We better understood what it was.
Not bad though.
I like it though.
It is very smooth. And I can't, as I said, it's definitely a very mixed berry, but it's got 3% juice in there too, which is kind of nice. But yeah, not one berry really stands out by itself, so can't really say it's one.
5 in there.
Yeah, there's quite a few. So, but I'd say that it's a very smooth taste, very tasty. So I like it. So I'd say SRT 392 because it's good. And it's definitely unique. And for only 10 calories and 1 carbohydrate and no sugar. That's some really good taste there, so I like that.
The juice too. I don't know how they quite did that. It's gonna be no sugar. That's amazing.
Yeah. So no sugar added and no total sugars either. So that's like that. Aggie days. Thanks for watching.
By Rockstar.
Check out the Rockstar. These are pretty good. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.